learning about structure and architecture and design of bridges and buildings.
We got to build a building out of spaghetti, a marshmallow, and some tape. We went into partners, and whoever made the tallest and the sturdiest tower won.
People should live in high-rise buildings because they don't take that much room and it costs less than to have a house. Because if you live in a house, there's lots more space to clean. But if you live in a high-rise building, you don't have to clean so much. And you can have a veranda. And sometimes they allow you to have a pet and plants.
When Johan Utzon built the architect of the Opera House, he thought about the nature and all the stuff around Sydney Harbour. And he thought maybe we should build something really cool about this in the Opera House, because we don't want just a boring building. We want something that looks like cool.
This term we have been learning about bridges and how they are made. Like the truss bridge, which we have made with paddle pots, and we have learned how in the olden days how they built bridges by just putting stones down between two cliffs, and then they found out that if there was a river under, then it would just push the rocks over.
We had to make 4 triangles, 1 long piece overlapping, and a short piece overlapping.
So first what we did was we got glue and we put it on the pop sticks, and then we got pegs and we put them on the joins so that it would dry well and it wouldn't all go everywhere.
The most interesting thing I learnt was when we were learning about the truss bridge, and when we built the bridge out of pop sticks. I was amazed that it could hold more than 11 kilos, and it was very strong. We used a line of pop sticks, and that could only hold around 2 to 3 kilos. So the truss bridge is much stronger than just pop stick bridges.
So in STEM we did a load test to test our truss bridges. We made them out of paddle pop sticks, and then we took a bucket and we measured the weight of the bucket, and then we put it onto the truss bridge with lots of bottles of water and weighing different items and weighing different weights, and
So we tested some bridges. So the first bridge we tested was a straight line, and it only holded 4 kilos, so it snapped. And then we tested the truss bridge, and it holded 6 kilos, and when it got to 6 kilos it snapped. So the truss bridge was stronger than the straight line bridge.